Hi everyone and welcome back, this is Naomi. And today I bring you a Shein try-on haul that feels both elegant and stylish. This time I chose a pair of black strap mule heels that instantly caught my eye. The design is simple, yet so classy, and the black color makes them perfect for any outfit. I also decided to wear white sheer pantyhose to create a clean contrast and see how the combination works together. I always like to test how the colors balance when the shoes are dark and the pantyhose are light because the effect can completely change the look. I really hope you enjoy this haul and find some inspiration if you like elegant heels with a modern twist. The first thing I notice when I start walking in these black strap mule heels is how light they feel. The heel is thin, but it gives a really stable step. And I like how the straps hold the foot without pressing too much. The design is delicate, and the shine on the edges makes them stand out even more. I can imagine wearing these heels with different outfits because they have that classic black tone that never goes out of style. Paired with the white sheer pantyhose, they create a look that leans feminine and soft. The pantyhose are smooth and very light on the skin, and the white tone adds brightness to the legs. I like how this combination keeps the focus on the shoes while still looking elegant from every angle. It is a type of contrast that makes the details of the heels look sharper and more defined. I also like how the light reflects slightly on the straps. It gives a subtle sparkle that adds charm without being too much. What I like about Shein hauls is that you can find surprises like this pair. Sometimes you expect something simple, and then you get something that actually looks more refined than imagined. These heels are a great example because they have a mix of simplicity and elegance that can fit both casual and more dressed-up looks. I think this combination of black strap mule heels and white sheer pantyhose works really well for anyone who likes minimal and chic styles. It is air and comfortable enough for short walks or indoor looks, and that is something I always appreciate in a good pair of heels. What I like the most about this Shein haul is how clean and balanced this look feels. The black strap mule heels have a soft shine that makes the outfit stand out, and the white sheer pantyhose give that gentle, bright touch that keeps everything fresh and elegant together. They make a mix that feels modern, simple, and easy to wear. I like that the heels are light and stable, and that the pantyhose give a silky finish that makes the legs look smooth and natural. It is a very comfortable, feminine combination that works well for many styles. This try-on reminds me that contrast can also be elegant. Black and white always look great together, and these pieces show how something simple can still feel classy, stylish, and polished. I really enjoy the soft texture, the clean lines, and the way the look stays calm, but still has character. I think this is a great way to show that elegance can be effortless. Thank you so much for being here. If you like this try-on, please leave your like and subscribe. so you can see all my next hauls and videos. I love reading your comments. So tell me what you would like to see next. Your ideas always inspire me to create more. Thank you for sharing this time with me, and see you soon.